hi there pluckers, I've sore fingers again with hopefully a little interesting solo for you from the Mr. Big song To Be With You, okay, which I did a lesson on recently, okay. So let's get to it. So I'm in standard tuning, doing it the same key it is on the record, okay. So starting off, it's mainly double stops, okay. So I'm starting off with a stop, first fret, third string, first finger, and second fret, fourth string. Right. Then we go up to this shape, second fret, third, fourth fret, fourth. What you do is basically you slide, when you hit that one, you slide it up 2 frets. So you end up on the 4th fret of the 3rd and the 6th fret of the 4th. Okay, so you hit that one, then hit this one and slide it up 2 frets. Then this second finger goes and plays the second string, the B string, on the 5th fret. So got that. Then we play. This is where you'll have to make your own choice on what fingers are comfortable for you. We play this shape. This is a 6th fret on the 3rd string, the G string, and 7th fret on the 4th string. Double stop. And then what happens is we keep this 4th string on the 7th fret, but the 3rd string gets down to the 4th fret. Bit of a stretch, but okay. So whichever finger, you work around your fingers to find out which is best for you, okay. That's pretty. First finger on the 4th on the 3rd, third finger I'm playing the 7th on the 4th. That's not too bad, okay. So far we've got this, slowly. Okay. Then we go to a double stop with the single finger, the first finger playing the 4th fret of the 4th string and the 3rd string together. So now we've got this. Then what we do is we do that twice. So keeping that bar across the 4th fret of the 3rd string and the 4th string with the first finger, we hit it, the 2 strings together, and hammer up to the 6th fret of the 4th string twice. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, then we go back and start all over again. So do the first bit up to this point. Up to that point exactly the same. Okay, so start that one, slide, 5th fret of the 2nd string, and in this shape, 6 on the 3rd, 7 on the 4th. So let's get to that point. We'll just do the first one and the part of the second one. Okay, so second one. That's as far as we got, yeah? Now we come to this bit. A little bit of a rake, what I call a rake. I'm fretting that shape, 4th fret of the top E string, 5th fret of the 2nd string, and 6th fret of the 3rd string. We're just playing these 3 strings, and it's like what they call a rake. We sort of like a very quick arpeggiate, and then as soon as you've played it, you release the pressure on the fretting hand. So you kill the string. You don't want that. You don't want that ringing. You just want it to kill it. As soon as you finish strumming it, you kill it. That sort of thing. Okay. So now we've got this from the beginning. Right. Then we got to this very quick bit. What this is, it's you fret from, after you've done this rake, you go to the 2nd fret top E string, I'm using my first finger, and you hit that note and hammer up to the 4th fret but I'm using my third finger. Okay, and then you pull off this third finger, pull off to the second again, so all in one movement. Yeah, so you just hit it once and then pull, use that finger to pull the string off back to the second fret. So hammer, pull off. Then you pull off this second finger, the first finger on the second fret to open. So all in one movement. I'm going to hit the string once with the pick. Okay, so you got that. So hammer from 2 to 4, pull off with the third finger there, and then pull off to open with the first finger. So it's all in one movement. Okay, then you play the second string open and then the top string open. So okay, so from the beginning. Finish it off with the bottom E string open. So it's okay. Then you do start again. So you repeat the first one. Okay, do the first one you did. We do that one and this 4th fret of the 3rd with this 7th fret on the 4th. So you did that one again. So now we add, so far, let's do the thing so far. Again. That's as far as we got, yeah? I'll play it even slower, okay? Yeah. Then what we do is we go up to a partial B chord and then a C sharp minor. So I'm fretting the 7th fret of the 2nd string, 8th fret of the 3rd and 9th fret of the 4th. Just those 3 strings. Just those frets. You strum those 3 strings as a partial B chord, and then we go up to a partial C sharp minor chord. And we do 2 like you do just 1 on that one. And then 2 on this one, and that's a bar on the 9th fret of the 3rd and 2nd strings and the 11th fret on the 4th string. So you have 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string you're interested in. So it's this one, this particular phrase is now we've got the whole thing. Let's go so far from the beginning, slowly. Let's do it slowly. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's all we've got. Then we got this little lick, okay? Right, so what we do there is a slide from the 9th fret of the 5th string to the 11th fret of the 5th string, then the 9th fret of the 4th, then the 11th fret of the 4th, so then the 9th fret of the 3rd, then the 12th fret of the 2nd, then the 10th fret of the 2nd, then the 9th fret of the 2nd, then back to the 10th fret of the 2nd, so and then you slide off. You go up to the 12th, so after the 10th on the, let's do it again, so slide from 9 to 11 on the 5th, 9th on the 4th, 11th on the 4th, 9th on the 3rd, 12th on the 2nd, 10th on the 2nd, 9th on the 2nd, 10th on the 2nd, and then up to the 12th on the 2nd, and slide it off. So okay, so slowly. And then you do a slide up from, I don't know, say 7 to 9 on the 3rd, right? And then go to the 11th on the 4th. So this whole bit is so far. That's the finish on that, yeah? And then you do this, what you did earlier, we did this rake on the C sharp minor. That bit again that you've already learnt, yeah? So that rake on the C sharp minor, and then this hammer up pull off bit. And then you go up and play a harmonic after you've done it, so you go. So it's just a harmonic, very lightly go right over the 12th fret with your finger, just resting very lightly on the 2nd and 1st strings, and you hit the 2 strings together and take your finger off to get that harmonic-y sound. And the final thing is a slide from 11 on the 3rd to 13 on the 3rd. So it's, and that's how it finishes, with that slide from 11 on the 3rd to 13 on the 3rd. Okay, so let's do the whole thing very slowly. Okay, so here we go. Okay, but again, play it even slower. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you'll be able to follow that. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.